Hey everyone! Have you ever accidentally rotated your laptop screen and suddenly your icons and mouse feel completely upside down? Don't worry, you're not alone, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix it and get back to your normal screen orientation in just a few clicks. This issue usually happens by accident. Maybe you pressed the wrong key combination or a setting got changed, and suddenly your screen is sideways or even upside down. It can make using your laptop really confusing, especially when the taskbar and desktop icons are all out of place. The fix is simpler than you think. Start by right-clicking anywhere on your desktop and selecting Display Settings. This is where Windows manages all your screen options, including orientation. Once you're in Display Settings, scroll down a bit until you see Display Orientation. It's usually just below your screen resolution settings. Click the drop-down menu and you'll see several options like Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flipped, and a Portrait Flipped. To restore your screen to normal, select Landscape. Be careful to avoid the Portrait or Flip modes unless that's the effect you actually want. After selecting Landscape, click Keep Changes to confirm, and just like that, your screen is back to normal. And that's it. A quick, simple way to fix a rotated screen and get back to smooth, normal laptop use. If this trick helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.